Welcome to Da Nang, good morning. And I saw yesterday in my comments, there's no sun, no blue sky in my videos. There is, and we're gonna check out the beach now. We're gonna take a stroll from here to the beach, check out the beach. If it looks good or not, we will find out today. Oh, look at this, beautiful S-Class in there. Huh, nice. It is hot and humid, like every day, but today at least the sun is out in the morning. I think the sun is out every day. It's just sometimes I'm filming when it is cloudy, which is better for me. But usually it is out. So it is still summer and still everything normal, guys. The Nukmia drink, very nice sugarcane juice. Okay. It's gonna get weighted here. That's interesting. Is that how it works? They weigh and then they know it's full or something? Huh. We're gonna walk from the Doba street to the beach and check out what's going on over there as well. We have the butcher steak. A good friend of mine just arrived to town. Now he's lost and I gotta help him with ATM and SIM cards. I might make some videos about that too. Some walking videos, yeah. It's very, if you wanna have cash at the moment, the whole neighborhood is a little bit bad. So everywhere they have fees now. The lowest fees is at TP Bank. No fees would be at VP Bank. But yeah. We are on the way to the beach now. Doba Street. This huge apartment building is getting slowly ready. As you can see here. They must be so bad for this hotel, Blues Hotel. What else has changed here in the street? I don't think much. Besides of that construction, there's not much construction in this street here, in the Doba Street. I also read which hotel can I go where there's no construction around. That's very difficult at the moment. There is a hotel I'm gonna review soon. I reviewed it in the German channel for one member there. It's called Vernal Homes. It's actually outside of the Antung area, it's in the south. And I will review it. I think it's, oh, okay, there's also a construction now. There's also construction. Not sure what they're gonna do with that. But yeah, Vernal Homes. The resorts, of course, are the most quietest places you can be. But the first resorts in Da Nang, which is walkable to this neighborhood, are around over $100, $120 at least. So here at the moment you just have to look out for a place, maybe on the beach, that might be the right thing now. But there you also have to be a little bit cautious. Because for example, Rosa Mia and Haiyan, they have a construction in between. But we will find out now. I will show you. I think I have one for you. At the end of this video, I will show you one. That might be quiet. And I will also explain you why. It's gonna be a beach hotel. It is quiet and it is in the Antung area. I also reviewed it. I will also link down below the hotel review. This is getting so quick done. Lots of people working on it. But you don't have a pavement at the moment. It's very inconvenient here. There are a few things you really have to be careful for when walking. Always look out for your steps here, always. It's very important. That's why sometimes maybe my videos are crooked or something, because I cannot always hold it still. I cannot look at the frame, because I have to look at these things here. you know. And you have, when you come to Da Nang, don't be on your phone and walk. Unless you're at the beach, that's usually fine. Oh my God, it's so hot. Woo! And why the hell are they full of trash here? This is not okay. This is the center of the tourist beach here. A very touristy beach with so many hotels, and then you have some trash here. This is not okay. But yeah, at least they're working on these things here now. I'm wondering if it ever will work. This useless device. Oh no, there's a dog missing or something. Or a dog was found. Oh, all right guys, let's cross. Check out the beach. Whew. So on the beach you can always walk very well. Oh, it's paradise today. Wow, this is beautiful. Da Nang as it is beauty. Perfect. Perfect beach weather. Perfect day at the beach here in Da Nang, Vietnam, at the My An beach, right below the My Ke beach. But yeah, the ocean is very calm also. Not good for the surfers though. But I can see still some surfer people. Surfer people going out, training. Oh, it's beautiful. But yeah, as you can see here, this is the construction site here between Hainan Hotel and the Rosa Mia. And they're working on it. Yeah, it's gonna be a high rise, so yeah, I hope it's not gonna be that bad with this sound. I'm wondering if the rates are gonna be lower now. Probably not. You can get some breakfast on the beach. I'm wondering how the English breakfast is made. Yeah, beautiful beach party as well. I'm wondering also if they start now. That would be so amazing if they continue and finish this thing. But Hainan would be pretty much, imagine on the right side construction, on the left side construction. But this building would be so nice addition here to the beach hotels. Yeah. This is the Paradise Beach Bar, and then I will show you now, very soon, the hotel that I assume is the most quietest hotel here on the beach. And there's a simple reason for that. All right guys, look at this beautiful beach part here. Very calm and nice. Good clear sky, blue sky. A little bit pollution, I would say. It's not as crisp as yesterday. Could also be something else, I'm not sure. But yesterday was more crisp. After the rain, it's usually nice and crisp. The air quality you can see the easiest if you look at the Sontra Peninsula. If it looks like it's just about there, super close and super green and lush, then it's a very good air quality. It's a very simple way to see that. I mean, sometimes there's also some water particles, some mist or something in the air, then also it's not that good. But yeah, isn't that beautiful? The white sand beach here in Da Nang. I'm gonna walk over there and then I will show you the hotel. At this time of the day, you have a little bit of shade from the palm trees when you walk here, but still, you gotta be careful. Especially if you're coming from a cold country. I mean, now at the moment, the Western Hemisphere has summer, so it should not be that problem. It is winter in Australia though. So you might have a lot of rain over there. And Then getting a sunburn here is not that good. Well, I think South Africa has probably also winter now, right? But how is it in South Africa? And now I have some South African viewers here. How is it South Africa when it is winter? Is it still sunny and nice, or does it rain like Australia? I really don't know. I've been to North Africa, but never south or anything lower than Morocco, Tunisia and Egypt. Oh, that looks good. This is my favorite type of view here. It's like all the nice colors, green, blue, then the sand and the ocean. Nice. Yeah. You know what? I will show you the hotel now. It's Nesta Hotel. And then we're gonna continue walking. And why is Nesta Hotel so quiet? I assume. I mean, I've been there and it was quiet. But you go inside the hotel, and then it's the main building where you have the sea view hotel rooms, and then you have a back area, another area where you have a pool, the spa, and then you have rooms. Like almost like bungalows, but a little bit different. You have rooms on the backside, so you will have a buffer between this and the backside. So I'm pretty sure this is very quiet to sleep in there, because there is no construction over there at the moment. Check out the video about that. Nesta Hotel, I did a video about that with Sunshine Blog. So I will definitely link it now upstairs, or I will put it in the description. Nesta Hotels. Then you see also what I mean, how it is constructed, the whole building. It's unusual for that building. It's not like a tower like the rest of the neighboring hotels. It's more like a resort almost, but it is at a premier location. I would also think the DLG, which is also in walkable distance to here, could be an alternative, because it also has some space between the street and the hotels, but you still have a beautiful view. They also have a very nice rooftop pool. Not rooftop, they have I think it's on the 6th floor or something. And they have one on the ground floor right at the beach. Not at the beach, at the beach level, but behind the street. So, and after this part here, the Mike Beach is starting. Whew, I gotta go to this shade here. It's hot. There's some construction going on the beach here. I think they're fixing this little water pothole, whatever that is there, what I filmed the other day. That's good. Getting out the water over there. Yeah, it looks very nice. These are the sounds here. What is also very interesting here is this little food, and I think, not sure if they have food. I think they have only drinks and maybe ice cream. But they have it's like a little cart, and then they have a roof on top, which is not that interesting during the daytime when it is super hot, because you're gonna burn. But it is very nice around sunset time. You can sit up there, have a drink, or ice cream. And you can see lots of people around here. Yeah, I think they even have probably a beer. So this might be a nice sunset beer place as well, on top of that. You know, more elevated there. Do they have beer? Let me see. Cannot see any. There's no beer, guys. Let me double check. No, those are the prices. Oh, they have beer. Tiger and Tiger Light. All right, thank you so much. Yeah, they have beer, guys, don't worry. Especially all my Australians, don't worry. Don't worry. Be happy. Beautiful. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please check out this video here. Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys, and see you in the next one.